Here's my little tractor, y'all. A little 410. It's a 4010, about a 24 horsepower diesel tractor. Get my dogs over here. They're working hard. Y'all working hard. Hardly working. Good Jack. There's the frog dog, Rusty. Taking it easy. He's doing some tricks. Roll down that hill, Rusty. Roll down that hill. And of course, here's old Buck. I'm gonna go get a sweet feed. He's ready to eat. He said, come on, Bernie. It's that time of the day. Let's get it. All right, got the feed in the bucket. Let's go out and feed him. Everybody gonna get some food.